Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Now we are going to start the prepositions. Okay. We are going to work on the prepositions. Yesterday we talked about among, right?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday we talked about among. Have we finished around? I think
Yes, sir.
we have finished around.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we are going to work
Yes.
on at. Now we are going to work on at. All right. Now we are going to work on at. Okay. So where do we use at? At is used to talk about a specific location. At is used to talk about a specific location at 23 Chestnut Street, at the park. In this way, if you want to talk about a specific location, then you are going to use at. Then you are going to use at. All right. Amol, answer me now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you live at 15 MG Road?
Yes, I live at 15 MG Road.
Okay. Is your bike at the parking?
Yes, my bike is at the parking.
Okay. Is your friend at room number 4?
Yes, my friend is at room number 4.
Okay. Are there students? Are there new customers at the store?
There are new customer at the store.
Okay. Is there a doctor at the clinic?
There is a doctor at the clinic.
Are you waiting at the gate?
Yes, I am waiting at the gate.
Are your parents discussing at the lobby?
Yes, my parents are discussing at the lobby.
Did you see a guard at the ATM center?
Yes, I saw the guard at ATM center.
Okay. Did you forget your wallet at science classroom?
Yes, I forget at sir.
Did you forget your wallet at science classroom? Yes, I forgot.
Yes, I forgot
Wallet.
wallet at the classroom.
Okay. Are you enjoying at the party?
Yes, I am enjoying at the party.
Very good. Very good. Nice. Good job. Yeah. Nikita, you are answering me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do your brothers live at 15 MG Road?
Yes, my brother lives at 15 MG Road.
Okay. Did you park your car at the parking?
Yes, I parked my car at the parking.
Okay. Are you searching your keys at room number 4?
Yes, I am searching my keys at room number 4.
Okay. Did you forget your wallet at the store?
Yes, I forgot my wallet at the store.
Did you meet the doctor at the clinic?
Yes, I met the doctor at clinic.
Did you register your name at the gate?
Yes, I registered my name at the date.
Okay. Will you place a customer care desk at the lobby?
Yes, I will place the customer
Customer care desk.
customer care desk at the lobby.
Okay. Did you find that wallet at the ATM center?
Yes, I found that wallet at the ATM center.
Did you keep quiet at science classroom?
Yes, I kept quiet at science classroom.
Is everybody dancing at the party?
Yes, everybody is dancing at the party.
Got it, everybody? All right. Now
Yes.
next
Yes,
is
sir.
we use at to talk about a point in time, exact time. If you want to talk about exact time, then we use at 5 o'clock, at Christmas, in this way. All right. At 4 o'clock, it means 4 vasta. And quarter is called 15 minutes. 15 minutes is called quarter in English. At quarter past 4, it means 4 वाजून 15 मिनिटे. At quarter past 4, it means 4 वाजून 15 मिनिटे. All right. Half is called 30 minutes in English. At half past 4, it means 4:30 वाजले. At half past 4, it means 4:30 वाजले. At quarter to 4, it means at quarter to 5, it means 5 ला 15 मिनिटे कमी आहेत. 5 ला 15 मिनिटे कमी आहेत. Got it? It means quarter, it means 15 minutes. Quarter, it means 15 minutes, and half, it means 30 minutes. So at 5 o'clock, at 5:15, it means 15 मिनिटे झाले 5 वाजून. At 5:30, it means 30 minutes झाले 5 वाजून. At 5:45, it means 15 मिनिटे कमी आहेत 6 ला. And at 5:50, it means 6 ला 10 मिनिटे कमी आहेत. In this way. Got it? Got it, everybody? Now you are answering me. Now you are answering me. All right? Yeah. Aditi, answer me.
Yes, sir.
Do you come to class at 4 o'clock?
Yes, I come to class at 4 o'clock.
Okay. Are you coming to the party at 4:15?
Yes, I am coming to party at 4:15.
Very good. Good job, Aditi. Are you having a cup of tea? Are you having a cup of tea at 4:30?
Yes, I am having a cup of tea at 4:30.
Okay. Did you go for a walk did you go for a walk at 4:45?
Yes, I went to walk for at 4:45.
Okay. Did you study at 10 to 5?
Yes, I studied at 10 to 5.
Do you buy new dresses at Diwali?
Yes, I bought a new dress at Diwali.
Yes, I buy. Buy is correct. Do you play colors at Holi?
Yes, I play colors at Holi.
Okay. Did you start making mistakes at the beginning?
Yes, I started making mistake at the beginning.
Did you clap your hands at the end?
Yes, I clapped the hands at the end.
Okay. Did you read the stories at night?
Yes, I read the story at night.
Did you take rest at noon?
Yes, I rested the sleep at noon.
Okay, very good. Aditi, it was nice. मला इतकं छान वाटलं आता कारण की तुम्ही समजून बोललेला आहे. So I appreciate you, Aditi. I appreciate you. Okay. Now, Ashwini, you are going to answer me. Was your lecture at 4 o'clock yesterday?
Yes, sir. Pardon, sir.
Was your lecture at 4 o'clock yesterday?
Yes, I was lecture at
Your lecture. My lecture was. Was your lecture at 4 o'clock yesterday?
Yes, my lecture at 4 o'clock yesterday.
Yes, my lecture was at 4 o'clock yesterday. To be forms past, Ashwini. Was
Yes.
your lecture at 4 o'clock yesterday?
Yes, my lecture was 4 o'clock yesterday.
Was at 4 o'clock yesterday? Ashwini, we are working about at. Okay. Was your lecture at 4 o'clock yesterday?
Yes, my lecture was at 4 o'clock yesterday.
Correct. Was your party at 4:15 yesterday?
Yes, my party was at quarter past yesterday. For yesterday.
Okay. Was your exam at 4:30 yesterday?
Yes, my exam was at 4:30 yesterday.
Okay. Was your visit to the doctor at 4:45 yesterday?
Yes,
My visit to doctor
yes, my visit to doctor at
was at.
Sorry, sir.
Yes, my visit to doctor was at.
Yes, my visit to doctor was at 4:45
yesterday. Okay. Was your result at 10 to 5 yesterday?
Yes, my result was 10 to 5 at yesterday.
Was your brother in Delhi at Diwali?
Yes, my brother was Delhi at Diwali.
Okay. Was he in Delhi at Holi?
Yes, he was Delhi at Holi.
Did you find difficult at the beginning?
Yes, I found difficult at the beginning.
Did you enjoy at the end?
Yes, I enjoy at the end.
Did you enjoy learning English at the end?
Yes, I enjoyed learning at the English.
Did you enjoy learning at the end?
Yes, I enjoy learning at the end.
Okay. Do you? Okay. Do you talk to your family members at night?
Yes, I talk to my family members at night.
Do you read the newspaper at noon?
Yes, I read newspaper at noon.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Okay. Now we use at to talk about some conditions like at peace, शांततेच्या वेळी, at poar, at rest. We also use at to talk about activities like at work, at school, at play. We also use at to talk about two words like look at someone, wave at someone. Wave म्हणजे हात हलवणे, कुणाकडे बघून हात हलवणे, that is wave at someone. All right, Santosh, answer me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you like to stay at peace?
Yes, I like stay at peace.
Okay, are you at work now?
Yes, I am work at I work
I am at work now. Are you at work now?
Yes. Yes, I am work at now.
I am at work now. Are you at work now? It is a to be form sentence.
Yes.
Are you at work
Yes, sir.
now?
Yes, I am at work now.
Okay. Is your brother at rest?
Yes, my brother is at rest.
Okay. Are students at school?
Yes, students are at school.
Is your brother at play?
Yes, my brother is at play.
Ah. Is Shah Rukh Khan at shooting?
Yes, Shah Rukh Khan is at shooting.
Is PV Sindhu at competition?
Yes, PV Sindhu is at competition.
Is the president at gathering?
Yes, president is at gathering.
Are students at farewell today?
Yes, students are at farewell today.
Is the chief minister of Maharashtra at inauguration today?
Yes, chief minister is inauguration at Maharashtra today.
Okay. Is Devendra Fadnavis at inauguration today?
Yes, Devendra Fadnavis is inauguration at today.
Is at inauguration today? Is Devendra Fadnavis at inauguration today?
Yes, Devendra Fadnavis at inauguration today.
Is you are missing is, gentlemen.
Yes.
Is Devendra Fadnavis at inauguration today?
Yes, Devendra Fadnavis is at inauguration today.
Very good, very good, very good. Nice. Anuradha ji, answer me. Aradhana ji, answer me.
Okay, sir.
Were you at peace? Were you at peace yesterday? Yes, I was at peace yesterday. Okay. Were you at peace yesterday?
Yes, I was sorry, sir.
At peace yesterday.
At peace yesterday.
Were you at work yesterday?
Yes, I was at work yesterday.
Were you at rest in the afternoon?
Yes, I was at rest afternoon.
Were you at school in the morning?
Yes, I was at school in the morning.
Were you at play yesterday?
Yes, I was at play. Sorry, sir.
Yesterday.
At play yesterday.
Was your brother at shooting yesterday?
Yes, I was. My brother.
My brother was at shooting yesterday.
Yes, my brother was shooting yesterday.
Okay. Were you at competition yesterday?
Yes, I was shooting
At competition.
shooting at a competition.
Yes. Were you at gathering yesterday?
Yes, I was at a gathering yesterday.
Was he at farewell?
Yes, he was at farewell.
Was she at inauguration?
Yes, she was at inauguration.
Very good. All right. So in this way, we talked a lot. We talked a lot about prepositions tomorrow is going to be a great day. Why? Because tomorrow we are going to study again more than 10 tests. Test, it means a bit revision, you know. Test, it means a bit revision. And tomorrow also you are going to face one important declaration, like you will get the result. Tomorrow you will get the result. How many students of you have participated in the exam, in the test? How many have submitted the test?
I am
How many of you have submitted the test?
I am submitted to test.
So there is still one day to submit. Others can submit your test. There is one more day, tomorrow. Till tomorrow 4 o'clock you can submit your test. You can submit your test and you will get the result. You will get the result. Everybody will get the result. You will get the marks out of 100. You will get the marks out of 100 and we will declare the result tomorrow. We will declare the result tomorrow. All right. So now we are going to work on how to utilize your grammar. How to utilize your grammar in spoken English. How to utilize your grammar in spoken English. I think yesterday we had a great session and we are going to continue the same session tomorrow because it will give you a great fluency in English.
Yes, sir.
But for today we are going to work on different topics. Okay. All right. Yeah. So now Nikita.
Yes, sir.
So Nikita will be speaking with Maya. All right. Nikita will
Yes,
be
sir.
speaking with Maya. All right.
Yes, sir.
So here is Maya. So Maya is going to ask Nikita. Okay. Maya is going to ask Nikita, like, does your brother work? Does your brother work in MNC, multinational company? Okay. Then what would be Nikita's answer? Nikita will answer it.
Yes.
My brother works
he
in MNC company.
He works. Understand?
Works.
He works in
MNC.
MNC company. In MNC company. Okay. Then what will Nikita ask? What
does your brother do?
Okay. No. Then Nikita will ask again the question. Does your brother work in MNC company? Does your brother work in MNC? Then she will Maya will answer the questions. Okay. When does he work? Okay. Again Maya will again Nikita will ask her questions. Where does he work? Make the questions, Nikita.
Where does he work?
Where does he work? Then okay, how many hours? Okay,
does he work?
How many hours does he work? How many hours does he work? Okay, in which company? Okay, in which company
does he work?
And Nikita will keep asking the questions. In which company does he work? If Nikita will not ask questions, then Nikita is a loser. Okay, and if Nikita will keep asking the questions, then Nikita is a winner. All right, so let us see who is going to be a loser and who is going to be a winner. I am Maya and Nikita is. We have Nikita with us. Okay, we have Nikita with us. Okay. Does Nikita, does your brother work in MNC?
Yes, my brother works in MNC. Does your brother works in MNC?
Once again, does your brother
works in MNC?
Work
in MNC?
Yes, my brother works in MNC.
Where does he work?
He works in a multinational company in Cognizant.
When does he work?
He works from 10 to 10.
How many hours does he work?
He works for more than 10 hours every day.
At what time does he wake up?
He wakes up at 6 in the morning.
Does he do his breakfast before going to office?
Yes, he does his breakfast before going to office.
Does he prays to God?
Does he?
Pray to God?
Yes, he prays to God.
How many hours he spends in his office?
Make correct question. Make correct questions.
How many hours does he spend in his office?
He spends more than 12 hours in his office.
At what time does he go to home?
He goes to home at 10 o'clock at night.
How many hours does he spend with his family?
He spends around 10 hours with his family.
Does he go for walk?
Yes, he goes for a walk.
Does he do exercises?
Yes, he does exercises.
At what time does he take lunch?
He takes lunch at 2 in the afternoon.
At what time does he take dinner?
Okay, okay, it's getting late and I have to go now.
Yes, okay, fine.
Very good. Good job, Nikita. Good job. Good job. Nice.
Thank you, sir.
Good job. Good job. Next. Who is going to be here?
I am Pooja here, sir.
Pooja. Yeah, Pooja, please. Does your sister teach in the college?
Yes, my sister teach in the college.
Teaches in the college, you know?
Teaches in the college. Does your sister teach in college?
Yes, my sister teaches in the college.
When does she work?
When does she work, or
When does she wake up?
she wakes up at 6 in the morning?
Where does he work? Where does she work?
She cool, Pooja ji. Jaldbazi mat karo. She works in Modern College.
How many hours does she work in college?
She works around 10 hours in the college. In college.
In which college does she work?
She works in Modern College.
When does she go to work?
She goes for a walk at 5 o'clock in the evening.
Does she pray God?
Yes, she prays to God.
Which class does she teach?
She teaches in 10th class. Very good. Good question.
How many lectures does she attend?
She attends 7 lectures.
Which subject does she teach?
She teaches Sanskrit.
Does she take any exam?
Yes, she takes exams.
When does she declare a result?
She declares result in the evening. Very good. Good job. Nice job. Yeah.
You,
Next. Everybody has to come.
Santosh.
Santosh. Yes, Santosh, please.
Yes.
Does your uncle run a business?
Yes, my uncle run a business.
Does your uncle runs a business? What is correct?
Runs a business.
Okay. Once again, I'm going to ask you questions. Does your
Yes,
uncle
sir.
run a business?
Yes, my uncle runs a business. Does your uncle runs a business?
Runs is wrong. If there is a does in the sentence, then there is
Run.
no yes or yes with the verb. Ask me again.
Yes. Does your uncle run in the business?
Yes, my uncle runs a business.
When does he run work?
He works at 7 to 7.
When does he wake up?
He wakes up at 6 in the morning.
When does he go to work?
He goes for a walk in the morning at 8 o'clock.
When does he go to office?
He goes to office at 7 o'clock.
When does he come in the home?
He returns home at 5 o'clock.
When does he take a breakfast?
He takes breakfast at 8 o'clock in the morning.
In which company does he work?
He works in his own company.
What kind of work? What kind of does he work in the company?
He works as a hardware consultant.
How many hours does he work? Does he work in company?
He works for more than 10 hours in the company.
What does he have a goal of future planning?
He just wants to become a billionaire in his life.
When does he go to bar?
He goes to what? Sorry, I pardon, please.
When does he go to bar?
She goes to bath in the morning at 6:30.
How many hours does he give family?
He gives around 10 hours to his family. Good job, Santosh. Nice, great job. Next, who is going to be here?
Sir, I am.
Okay, Ashwini, please.
Difficult person.
Ashwini, does your friend watch a movie?
Yes, my friend is watch a movie.
Oh, why are you making mistakes, Ashwini? See, look at the whiteboard. Does your friend watch a movie?
Yes, my friend my friend is watch the movie.
There is no is. Now listen to it carefully. Ashwini, listen to others carefully. See, our target is not speaking English. Our target is speaking correct English. Understand? Because if you speak correct English, then you will grow your confidence. And if you grow your confidence, then you will become fluent in English. Understand? Ashwini.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Sanchali not. Who is going to ask? Tushar. Tushar. Listen to the students carefully. Then you will find how they are speaking correct or wrong, and try to follow them. Everybody has to learn from each other. Okay. Tushar, start. Does your friend watch a movie?
Yes, my friend watches the movie.
Okay.
Does your friend watch a movie?
Yes, my friend watches a movie.
When does he watch a movie?
He watches a movie every day in the evening.
Where does he watch a movie?
He watches a movie at YouTube channel.
How much time does he watch a movie?
How much time or how many time? How much time does correct Tushar, correct. How much time does he watch a movie? He watches movies for 3 hours every day.
How?
With whom does he watch a movie? Which movie does he watch? Why does he watch a movie? Okay, you answer me. Does your friend watch a movie?
Yes, my brother is watch a movie.
Okay, when does he watch a movie?
He watches the movie at the evening.
Where does he watch a movie?
He watches the movie in theater.
Why does he watch a movie?
He watches the movie because
how many movies does he watch every day?
He watches the 3 movies in every
With
day.
whom does he watch a movie?
He watches the movie with his friend.
In which theater does he watch a movie?
He watches the movie at Shivaji Theater.
Okay, what type of movies does he watch?
He watches the Hollywood movies.
Okay, does he take the tickets?
Yes, he takes the ticket.
When does he take the tickets?
He takes the ticket before.
Why does he take the tickets? How does he take the tickets? How many tickets does he take? Which tickets does he take? Does he eat the popcorns in the interval? When does he eat the popcorns in the interval? Why does he eat it? Where does he eat? How does he eat? तुमच्या समोर कोणी थांबणारच नाही, निघून जाईल. अरे ह्याच्याबरोबर इंग्लिश बोलायला नको. I'll go away. He just keeps me speaking in English. Understand? So if you want to speak in English, you should know to ask questions. All right? Yeah, Ashwini, ask me questions. Does your friend learn English?
Does your friend learn English?
I will ask you questions, Ashwini. Okay. Does your friend learn English? I am Maya, you are Nikita. Okay. Does your friend learn English?
Yes, my friend learn in English.
अरे Ashwini, yes. Works लिहिले ना तिथं. दिसतंय की नाही?
Yes, sir.
हे दिसतंय की नाही? White board दिसतंय की नाही?
Yes, my friend learns in English.
Learns in म्हटलंच नाही मी. Does your friend learn English म्हटलं?
Yes, my friend learns English.
ओके 5 वेळा म्हणा आता तुम्हाला पनिशमेंट 5 वेळा म्हणा हा
Yes, my friend learns English. 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 Yes, my friend learns English.
Okay, once again, answer me now. Okay, does your friend learn English?
Yes, my friend learns English. Does your friend learn English?
Yes, my friend learns English.
Why does your friend learn English?
He wants to get a job in multinational company, so he learns English.
When does he learn English?
He learns English at 8 o'clock in the evening.
In which academy does he learn English?
He learns English in Inspiring Academy.
With whom does he learn English?
He learns English with his friends.
In which yes.
Correct. Very good. Good job. Good job. Next. You can do this. You can do this at home. You can do this at home every day. You can just take one verb and make the conversations. Just take one verb and make the conversations. Yes, Aditi. Does your father sell the flats?
Yes, my father sells the flat. Does your father sell the flat?
Yes, my father sells the flats.
When does he sell the flat?
He sells the flats every day.
How many hours does he flats the sale?
Once again,
How many hours does he flat the sale?
how many hours does he sell the flat? Simple.
How many hours does he sell the flat?
How many flats does he sell?
How many hours flats does he sell?
How many flats does he sell?
How many flats does he sell?
He sells 3 flats every day.
In which company did he sell the flat?
He sells the flat to all the people in the public.
At what time does he sell the flat?
He sells the flat from 10 to 10 o'clock.
Do you sell the flat?
No, I do not sell the flat.
When does he sell the flat?
He sells the flat in the evening.
Where does he sell the flat?
He sells the flat to get the income. Okay, very good. Good job. Next, who is going to come?
तो काजल है.
Kajal. Okay. Does Ajay Devgan? Okay. Does Ajay Devgan act in Hindi movies?
Yes, Ajay Devgan acts in Hindi movie. Does
Aishwarya dance in the movies? No.
Does Aishwarya dance in the movie?
Yes, she dances in the movies.
When does he dance in movie?
He or she?
When does she dance in the movie?
She dances in the movies whenever she requires to dance.
Where does she dance in movie?
She dances in the movies on the stage
With
or on the
whom?
location of the shootings.
Okay, with whom does he dance?
He or she?
Does she dance?
She dances with her co-actors.
Okay, how many co-actors does she? How many co-actor does she act?
She acts with more than 3 co-actors.
Okay, how many time does she act?
She acts for more than 3 hours every day.
Which type of movie does she done?
Does she do?
Does she do?
She does all the types of the movies except horror movies.
Does he have?
He or she?
Does she have office?
Yes, she has an office. Very good. Good job. Good job. Next. Advait.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Does your mother cook food?
Hello, sir.
Does your mother cook food?
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
Advait, answer me. Does your mother cook food?
Yes, my mother cook food.
Okay. Ask me back.
Does your mother cook food?
Yes, my mother cooks food.
Which food does your mother cook?
My mother cooks vegetarian food.
How many dishes does your mother cook?
My mother cooks around 3 dishes every day.
Which dish do you like?
I like kaju curry. Okay, next. Yeah.
Abhishek Raikot, sir.
Okay, who is there?
Abhishek Raikot.
Abhishek, please.
Sir, how did I speak?
Yeah, well. Good job. Abhishek, answer me.
Thank you.
Does your friend go to college?
Yes, my friend is go to college.
My friend is, no, there is no is. My friend goes to college. Okay. Does your
My
friend go
friend
to
is-
college?
My friend goes to college.
Okay.
Your friend go to college?
Does your friend go to college? Yes, my friend
Yes.
goes to college.
When does he wake up?
He wakes up at 6 in the morning.
When does she go to work?
She goes for a walk in the evening.
When does he go to bath?
She he takes a bath at 6 o'clock.
When does he go to school?
He goes to school at 10 o'clock.
When does he take a breakfast?
He takes breakfast at 8 o'clock.
Where does he go to school?
He goes to school at 6 o'clock in the morning.
How many hours does he school?
Does he attend the school?
Attend the school?
He attends the school for 10 hours every day. All right. Very good. Good job. Okay. Are you enjoying?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Are
sir.
you cheerful?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you excited?
Yes,
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 sir.
Okay. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you
Good
again.
night,
See you.
sir.
Good night, everybody.
See you.
Good night,
Good night,
everybody.
sir.
Good
Sir,
night.
Good night.
sir,
Take care.
I have one question, sir.
Bye, sir.
Questions you should ask in doubt session.
Bye,
Tomorrow
sir.
No,
at
sir.
3:30.
सर मुझे
Bye,
टेस्ट
sir.
टेस्ट के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं है, मतलब क्या करना है
Bye,
इसमें।
sir.
अभी टेस्ट मत करो आप. कल आपको पता चल जाएगा टेस्ट के बारे में.
वो सबमिट करना है ना सर ऑनलाइन?
हाँ, ऑनलाइन सबमिट करना है सब कुछ.
सर उद्या याच टायमाला आहे ना आपला क्लास?
हो, सेम क्लास, सेम टाइम. 7:45 to 8:30. 7:45 to 8:30 is your batch time. Okay?
सर उद्यापर्यंत सगळ्या टेस्ट ही करायचे द्यायचे तुम्हाला?
हो द्यायचे आहेत मला सर्वांनी.
हो. माझ्या
सर उद्या फर्स्ट स्पीकिंगचं होणार नाही का सर?
उद्या स्पीकिंगचं बॅच असणार आहे. स्पीकिंग होणार आहे उद्या. आपलं स्पीकिंग शिवाय दुसरं काही होणारच नाहीये.
Because Deepak sir tomorrow is off. So.
उद्या दीपक सरची बॅच नसणार आहे. उद्या दीपक सरच्या बॅचला हॉलिडे आहे.
Yes, sir.
उद्या दीपक सरच्या बॅचला हॉलिडे. ओके.
उद्या 7:45 ना सर?
बाय बाय. टेक केअर. गुड
Bye,
नाईट.
sir.
आय
Bye,
bye,
हॅव
sir.
I have the next batch. Bye bye. Good night.
Bye, sir. Good night.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Bye.
Good night.
Bye.
Good night. Take care.
Bye.
sir.
Advait. Bye,
Bye,
Advait.
sir. Bye.
Yeah,
Bye,
bye,
sir.
take care.
Bye, sir. Good night.
Bye. Good night, Aditi.
Bye. Bye, sir.
The next batch आहे नाही.
हाँ, ही नेक्स्ट बैच आहे.
Bye, sir.
Okay, sir.
Bye. Good night, Aditi.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Advait. Bye.
Bye,
Take care of yourself. Congratulations again.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye. Take care.
Sir, tomorrow is third round.
Yeah. All the best for you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Oh, you can leave the batch now.
Yes.
Okay, bye. Amol, do you want to attend the batch? Okay, fine. All right. So, good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
sir.
Good evening, Pallavi. Good evening, Shipra ji. Good evening, Nandini ji. And good evening, Vijay. Okay. So
Good
today,
evening, sir.
yeah, today we are going to work on communicate. Just a minute. I'll just call one more student. He is absent. I don't know. So good evening, everybody, and we are going to have a great communication practice today. So today it is going to be a communication batch. Okay, I'm going to take your communication batch for a few days, and then you will get a new teacher. Okay, and I am going to teach you grammar. I am going to teach you grammar in the afternoon, right, at 2 o'clock. Okay, Vijay, Shipraji, turn on your video. Pallavi ji, Pallavi Varekar, turn on your video.
Yes, sir.
If you turn on your video, no, then there is a direct connection between teacher and students, and it feels like we are in the classroom. We are in the classroom. I think you just had experience to the classroom. You know, you just had the experience of the classroom. So it is a great fun. Like here, you are going to learn. You are going to grow yourself. You are going to make your personality better. You are going to learn to speak in English. You are going to learn to do the presentations. You are going to do the debates. You are going to have a lot of conversations, and you are going to solve the test. You are going to write the test. You are going to appear for the oral test. So it is a full program, and it will develop you a lot. It will develop you a lot. Understand? So from today onwards, we are going to have a lot of speaking activities in the evening session. That is 8:30 to 9:15. That is 8:30 to 9:15 every day. All right. And I will teach you for a few days, for 10 to 15 days, and then new teacher will take place. New teacher, it means expert teacher will take place, and he will keep training you communication part, and I will be there with you all till for next a few months with grammar session, because grammar is the key. Grammar is the key of your progress and your confidence and your fluency. So I am going to take that part. I am going to take that part in the afternoon session. In the afternoon session at 2 o'clock. All right. So Vijay, Shipra, and Pallavi and Nandini, you are going to join me at 2 o'clock also tomorrow. Okay.
Yes,
2 o'clock also tomorrow. Every day tomorrow, every day at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I shall teach you the grammar, and in the evening at 8:30 there will be a communication class. In this way, 2 classes will run every day. 2 classes will run every day. All right. So now today we are going to just to have a starting of communication. So Vijay. And Vijay, Shipraji, Nandini ji, and Pallavi ji. I just want to give you a very important tip to get the fluency in English. Okay. See, when the car starts, Nandini ji, answer me. When the car starts, what is the speed of car? When the car starts,
Slowly.
what is the speed? 100, 200, 300, 10,
No.
5. What is the speed? 5, 6, 2, 3. What is the speed when the car starts?
20, sir.
20. Okay, not 20 also, but suppose it is 20. Okay. Yeah. What is your opinion, Vijay? What is your opinion? What is the speed of the car when it starts?
0 to start.
Yeah, it starts from 0, and it starts with 1, 2, 3 in this way. All right. Yeah. Am I right, Shipraji? Is it correct? Like it starts with 0, then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it goes as much as you can. But when you come on a confident mode, then it is constant, like 40 to 60. When you are
Yes.
on a confident mode, it is constant. Understand?
Yes.
But when you face any breaks, or when you face any any hurdles between your way, then again what is the speed? Pallavi, when
Zero.
when your car faces any hurdles, then what is the speed?
0.
Not 0, but near to 0. Near to 0. Understand? So it is 5, 6 or 7, 8. We do not turn off the car. We do not turn off the car, but we keep a very slow speed. When the car faces any hurdles or any stone or any traffic or anything, or at the signal, then we keep it up like a very slow speed, like 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Understand? So this is the best example to get fluency in English. So this is the best example to get fluency in English. So whenever you start, this is the first day, so I am going to tell you, I do not believe in lecture baji. I do not believe in lecture baji. So we are not going to have a lectures, but I'm going to get the practice done. But I'm just going to tell you one example. So this example will be in your mind till the end. It should be in your mind till the end of the class, or till the end of your till the lifetime. This example should be there. This is not with only English speaking. It is with all the skills. So whenever you start learning any skills, you should start from 0. Understand? You should start from 0. Then you should go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you should be confident. And when you are confident, then your speed is constant. It means you are fluent in that language. And when you are fluent in that language, then your speed is constant. When you are fluent in that language, then your speed is constant. Understand? But suppose if you face any hurdles, then what you need to do? You need to come back and listen to him carefully. Listen to him carefully. Understand? And speed, you should control your speed. Do not speak fast. Do not speak impatiently. Do not speak wrong. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Stay cool and answer him correctly. Understand? So this is the best example to get fluency in English. Start with 0, and day by day, grow to 100 and come on a confident way. And suppose everybody faces the problems in English. Even now also I face problems in Marathi. Even my Marathi is mother tongue. Even my Marathi is my mother tongue. Then also we face problems in Marathi. Understand? So it doesn't matter that you are speaking in English and you are not facing the problems. Everybody faces the problems. But whenever you face the problems, you should slow down your speed. You should slow down your speed, not confidence. Understand? Whenever our car faces any hurdles, should we lose our confidence, or do we just control our speed? What do we do?
Just control our speed.
Yeah, Vijay, what do we do? Do we lose our confidence of driving a car, or just we control the car? What happens? Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. What happens?
Control the car.
Okay, we just control the car. We just control the car. We do not lose our confidence. So I am telling you, whatever happens in your life, whoever comes in front of you, do not lose your confidence. Do not lose your confidence. You are on the way to learn English. You are on the way to learn English. So keep it up, keep learning, keep learning, keep learning, keep learning. And one day you will get the confidence. All right. So everybody has got how we are going to go ahead. So I suggest you all that it is going to be very interesting course, but do not be overconfident. Do not be overwhelmed. Do not be overwhelmed. Just cool and comfortable and speak correct in English. First step. First step is listen to the audience carefully. This is the first step. I'm going to give you 5 steps. Nilkant, I'm going to give you 5 steps. मी तुम्हाला 5 steps सांगणार आहे. 5 steps की इंग्लिश कशी शिकायची आहे. Understand? First step is listening. पहिली स्टेप चुकला तुम्हाला पुढे येणारच नाही. If you just skip one step, you will never learn to speak in English. Listening is important step. Second step is understanding. Second step is understanding. So listen carefully, understand perfectly. Perfectly, I am telling you. Understand perfectly. Suppose what happens if you do not listen carefully? If you do not listen to the speaker carefully, then you can tell him, sorry, I couldn't get you. Would you please repeat? What would you say? What would you say? Sorry, I couldn't get you. Would you please repeat it? Just repeat after me. Pallavi, repeat after me. Sorry, I couldn't get you. Would you please repeat? Okay, Nilkant. Pardon, please. Nilkant बोला. Pardon, please.
काय
Pardon, please. बोला. माझ्या नंतर बोला. Pardon, please.
Pardon, please.
Would you please repeat?
Would you please? काय सर मी पण
Would you please?
अजून एकदा सांगा.
Would you please
Would you please?
repeat?
Would you please?
Repeat. Got it? Pardon, please. Would you please repeat? एवढंच नाही. तुम्हाला काहीच समजलं नाही किंवा काय ऐकू आलं नाही तर म्हणायचं. ऑलराइट, शिप्रा जी, आपको क्या बोलना है? सिर्फ सॉरी बोले तो भी चलेगा. मतलब सॉरी का मतलब क्षमा नहीं मांग रहे हम किसी से. सॉरी का मतलब होता है मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया. अंडरस्टैंड? बोलिए सॉरी. बोलिए
सॉरी.
ऐसा नहीं सॉरी बोलना है. ऐसा बोलना है जैसे उसको लगना चाहिए कि ऐसे सुनाई नहीं दिया. ओके, सॉरी. बोलिए
सॉरी.
Okay, very good. Yeah.
Would you please repeat?
Yeah. Would you please repeat? Correct. Or would you please repeat again? Would you please repeat again? Or you can say, Vijay, you can say, come again.
Come again.
Come again.
Come again.
Come again.
Come again.
Okay. Nandini ji, you can say, I am sorry, I couldn't get you.
I'm sorry, I couldn't get you.
Got it?
Yes.
In this way, this should be done. So first step is, Pallavi, first step is understand and listening to the speaker. That is the first step. Second step is understanding the speaker's language, like whether he is speaking in present or in past or in future. Understanding the meaning of his speaking, understanding the meaning of speaking. आपल्याला काय वाटतं, चला बोलूया, but it will never happen. You will keep making the mistakes. So whenever we join the classes, then we are in hurry to speak in English. Understand? But don't do that. I told you your speed should be less. It should start from 0. Understand? So first listening, second understanding, listen carefully, listen to the speaker carefully, understand the speaker perfectly, understand the speaker perfectly, and third is speak correctly. Third is speak correctly, and fourth step. I have told you 3 steps. Okay, listen to the speaker correctly, understand the speaker perfectly, and speak correctly, and fourth is very important. Fourth is very important, like speak correctly and speak effectively. Speak effectively, like speak confidently. That is the fourth. Sorry, speak confidently is the fourth, and fifth is speak fluently. So if you want to speak fluently, you need to follow these 4 steps. If you want to speak confidently, you need to follow these 3 steps. And if you want to speak English correctly, then you need to follow first 2 steps. And if you want to listen to carefully, then you should understand people correctly, then you need to follow first step. Understand? Again, I will say, okay, if you want to understand the people carefully, then you should listen to him carefully. If you want to speak English correctly, then you should listen to the speaker correctly, carefully. You should understand it perfectly, and then you will speak correctly. And if you want to speak confidently, then you should listen, you should understand, you should speak, and then you will speak confidently. And if you want to speak fluently, then you should follow all these 4 steps. Listen to the speaker carefully, understand him perfectly, and then speak correctly, speak confidently, and at the end you will speak fluently. Okay, समझ लो? नीलकंठ, आज तुमचा काय प्रॉब्लेम येतोय काय कनेक्शनचा? All right, fine. All right, got it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
We are going to start with very simple exercises, and they will help you a lot to speak in English. Okay, so today we are going to work on how to utilize your grammar in speaking. How to utilize your, yes, please. Ha, Nilkant.
तर माझा रेंजचा प्रॉब्लेम येतो.
हा, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही, तुम्ही फक्त अटेंड केला तरी चालेल, व्हिडिओ नसला तरी चालेल. ओके. Okay. Okay. So now we are going to work on how to utilize your grammar. See, speaking batch, it means how to utilize your grammar in speaking. That is the speaking batch. All right. And in grammar batch, it means you are going to learn the correctness of language, and effectiveness of the language. All right. So now I am going to show you one. Wait just a bit. So how we are going to study English, that I am going to tell you now. How we are going to practice English. Okay. How we are going to practice English. All right. So how we are going to practice English, I'm just going to tell you important about. So I'll just give you a brief idea of our next journey. Understand? Because it is very important to know that how you are going to learn to speak in English. Okay. So there will be 2 parts. Okay. There will be 2 parts. Okay. The first lecture will be a grammar lecture. Okay. And second lecture will be a speak. So in the grammar, what you are going to learn? You are going to learn 36 English grammar lessons. 36 English grammar lessons. Okay. With practice. Okay. With practice. All right. Second, with practice. Second, advanced English grammar lessons. Advanced English grammar lessons. Okay. Advanced English grammar lessons. With practice. Everything is without practice, we are not going to do anything. With English lessons with practice. Okay. And third, we are going to have the written test. We are going to have the written tests, and we are going to have the oral tests. So this will probably will run for around 2 months. 2 months, because it will cover your vocabulary also. It will cover your vocabulary training also. Understand? vocabulary training. All right. And now second lecture. In the second lecture, it means in speaking lecture, you will get in second lecture will be a conversation lecture. Conversation and fluency. Okay. That is a speaking batch. Here you will get only conversations. Only conversation practice. Conversation practice, it means speaking practice. Conversation practice. Second, conversation practice. Second, second presentations. And third is very important, conversation practice, presentations, and this is going to be and fluency practice. Okay, that is vocabulary, topic vocabulary. That is topic vocabulary. Understand? It means we will give you a topic, we will give the vocabulary of that topic, and you will keep speaking with us. All right. So that is topic vocabulary. And last one is the advanced English. Last one is the advanced English. In advanced English, you are going to study group discussion, current topics. All are the, because you will get the fluency within 2 months. Group discussion, then debates, then interview skills, email writing, okay, and presentations. Presentations, it means presentations on current topics. Okay, so this will be your journey. All right, understood it? And there will be written and oral test. Got it? If you want to take the screenshot of it, you can take the screenshot. Of this. All right. So now we are going to work on today's we are going to work on one to be forms topic. Okay, one topic of grammar conversation topic, because this is a speaking batch. So we'll start with simple conversations. Okay, so the first is hi. Okay, hi, how are you? Okay, hi, how are you? Then the answer is I am fine, thanks, and you. Okay, I am fine, thanks. All right, I am fine, thanks. But now we are going to work on are you in college? No, I am not in college. Okay, no, I am not in college. So it seems like it is a very simple topic, but now I will tell you how is this topic. Where are you? Okay, where are you? I am in hostel. All right, I am in hostel. Okay, then you know that. All right, bye bye. Okay, all right, bye bye. Then bye bye. Then all right. Now we are going to work on these conversations. Okay, now we are going to work on these conversations. All right. So Nandini, Nandini is the first person and Shantinath is the second person. All right. So Nandini, hi, how are you?
I am fine, thanks. And you?
I am fine, thank you.
Are you in college?
No, I am not in college.
Where are you from? Sorry,
Where
where
are
are
you?
you?
I am in hostel.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
See you again.
See you. Got it?
Yes.
But what we have done, we have just understood the conversations. But now you need to practice this conversation. Practicing it means making a variety of questions like the same conversations. Like the same conversations. Got it? Like the same conversations. So that is called practicing the conversations. That is called practicing the conversations. But suppose when Nandini is not speaking, ज्यावेळी नंदिनी बोलत असतात माझ्याशी त्यावेळी सगळेजण ऐकत असतात. गॉट इट? परंतु
Yes.
ऐकल्याने काहीही होणार नाहीये. तुम्हाला सुद्धा बोलायचं आहे. कसं बोलायचं आहे? नंदिनी काय करेल? नंदिनी अनम्यूट स्टेटस मध्ये बोलेल आणि तुम्ही म्यूट स्टेटस मध्ये बोलायचं आहे. तुम्ही कसं बोलायचं आहे? म्यूट स्टेटस मध्ये बोलायचं आहे. पल्लवी, तुम्ही कसं बोलायचं आहे? म्यूट स्टेटस मध्ये बोलायचं आहे. सर्वांनी कसं बोलायचंय? म्यूट स्टेटस मध्ये बोलायचं है. ऑलराइट, शिप्रा जी आपको समझ में आया?
तो सर नहीं समझ में आया।
नंदिनी जी अनम्यूट स्टेटस में बोलेगी और आपको म्यूट स्टेटस में बोलना है। समझ में आया?
ओके सर, ओके सर।
ओके, आप वीडियो टर्न ऑन करोगे तो अच्छा लगेगा, तो मुझे पता चलेगा क्या चल रहा है। ओके, तो आपको म्यूट स्टेटस में बोलना है जी।
यस सर।
आपको म्यूट स्टेटस में बोलना है। ओके, हाँ नंदिनी जी अगेन. Nandini ji will speak in unmute status and you will speak in mute status. Okay? Start. Nandini ji.
First song, sir.
Hi,
how are you?
I am fine, thanks. And you? You all are Nandini. Pallavi is also Nandini. Vijay is Nandini. Nalkant is Vijay. Nandini. Shipra is Nandini. Okay? Ask again. Ask me again. Hi, how are you? Everybody ask me again. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
No. Only Nandini will ask. You will ask in mute status. Nandini.
Hi, how are you?
I am fine, thanks. And you?
I am fine, thanks.
बोला सर्वांनी. Are you in college? Nandini,
No, I am not in
college?
a college.
Okay, where are you?
I am in a hostel.
Okay, are you happy in the hostel?
No, I am not happy in the hostel.
Okay, how are you in the hostel?
How?
I am nervous in hostel. I am sad in hostel. How are you in hostel?
I am boring in the hostel.
You are boring in hostel. Okay. Are you on the first floor of the hostel?
No.
I am not.
I am not.
Okay, listen to me carefully, then you will answer it correctly. I told you listening is important. Are you on the first floor of the hostel?
No, I am not first floor. I am on the second floor.
Listen. Are you on the? See, आप यदि अच्छे सुनोगे ना तो सुनने में ही बहुत सारा आंसर आ जाता है. Okay,
sir.
Are you on the first floor of the hostel?
Are you on the first floor?
First floor of the hostel?
No, sir.
No, it is written here. No,
okay, no.
I am not on the first floor of the hostel. Okay, once again answer me. Are you on the first floor of the hostel?
No, I am not on the first floor section
of the hostel.
Of the hostel.
Okay, where are you?
I am from Pune.
No, where are you? I am on the second floor. I am on the third floor.
Okay.
On which floor are you?
I am second floor. I am on the second floor.
Very good. Okay. Are you with your friends?
Yes, I am
with my friends.
With my friends.
सभी को आपको आंसर देने की थोड़ा सा ट्राई करना है. म्यूट स्टेटस में ट्राई करना है. Are you with your friends? Again, are you with your friends?
Yes, I
am.
I am with my friends.
Okay. Okay. All right. Bye.
See you again. Bye.
Bye. आएगा. All right. Bye.
Bye.
See you again.
See you.
जल्दबाजी मत कीजिए नंदिनी जी, जल्दबाजी मत
नहीं।
कीजिए. Okay, once
Okay,
again,
sir.
once again. Everybody is the first person and I am the second person. Okay, ask me Nandini ji. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Everybody is asking me again. Once again.
Hi,
Nandini
how are
ji,
you?
I am fine, thanks. And you?
I am fine and thanks.
Okay, are you in college?
No, I am not in a college.
Where are you?
I am in a hostel.
Okay. Are you happy in hostel?
No, I am not happy in the hostel.
How are you in the hostel?
How are you in the hostel?
I am boring in the hostel. I am nervous. You just answered it. How are you in the hostel?
I am boring in the hostel.
Okay. Are you on the second floor of the hostel?
No, I am not second floor on the hostel.
On the second floor of the hostel. Of the
hostel.
Okay. On which floor are you?
I am on the second floor, third floor.
I am on the third floor. Okay, very good. Are you with your friends?
Yeah, yes, I am with my friends.
Okay, all right. Bye-bye.
See you again. Bye-bye.
Okay, see you again.
See you.
Okay, speed कम रखो, जल्दबाजी मत करो, ज्यादा से ज्यादा करेक्ट बोलो नंदिनी जी.
Yes,
all right?
sir.
Okay,
Yes.
now Pallavi. Unmute yourself. Okay. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I am fine, thank you. Now I am changing the subject. Okay. Are you in Kolhapur? Are you in Pune?
Yes, I am in Pune.
Okay. Are you in Kolhapur?
No, I am not in Kolhapur. Now I am in
Okay.
Pune.
Okay. Where are you?
I am in hostel.
Okay. Are you happy in your hostel?
No, I am not happy in hostel.
Okay. Where are you happy?
I am happy in my home.
Okay. Are you on the first floor? Are you on the third floor of the hostel?
No, I am not the third floor of hostel. I am in second floor. On the second floor of hostel.
Okay. Are you in the room number 5?
No, I am not room number 5. My room number is
जल्दबाजी मत करो. Correct बोलो. Correct. I am not in room number 5. Okay. Are you in room number 5?
no, I am not
नंदिनी
in
जी आंसर देना है आपको भी. सभी को आंसर देना है. मैं जो भी प्रश्न पूछता हूँ उसका सभी को आंसर देना है. Are you in room number 5?
No, I am not in room number 5.
In which room are you?
I am in 2 number room.
I am in second room. I am
in
in room number 2nd. In which room are you?
I am in second number room.
I am in room number 2nd. In which room are you?
I am in room number 2nd.
Okay. Is there a dining hall? In the hostel?
No, there is not a dining hall in the hostel.
Okay. Where is the dining room?
In my
Okay.
home.
Where is the mess? Where do you eat in mess?
Yes, I eat in mess.
Okay. Where is the mess?
Near my hostel.
The mess is near my hostel. Simple. Okay. Where is the mess?
The mess is near my hostel.
Okay. Is there a library in the hostel?
No, there is not a library in my hostel.
Okay. Where is the library?
Don't know.
I don't know. Okay. The library is nearby my hostel. Any answers you can give? Any answers? Okay. Where is the library?
A library is near my hostel.
Okay. 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 And is your dinner time at 9 o'clock?
No, it is not my dinner time. My
Okay,
dinner time.
What is your dinner time?
My dinner time is 10 o'clock.
Okay. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you again.
See you.
Very good. Good job. Got it?
Yes.
So Pallavi ji, in this way we are working on conversations. In this way we are working on conversations. Shipra ji, I am going to talk to you. Shipra ji. Okay. Everybody is answering my questions. Nandini, Vijay, Pallavi, everybody is answering my questions. Okay. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I am fine, thank you. Okay. Are you in your village?
Yes, I'm in my village.
Okay. In which village are you? What is
I'm
your
in-
village name?
My village name is Gorakhpur.
Gorakhpur. Okay. Is there a hospital in Gorakhpur?
Yes, there are lots of hospitals in Gorakhpur.
Okay. Is there a civil hospital in Gorakhpur?
Yes, there is a civil hospital in Gorakhpur.
Where is the civil hospital?
The civil hospital is situated at Bose Company.
Okay. Is there a municipal corporation in your city?
Yes, there is municipal corporation in my city.
Where is the municipal corporation?
The municipal corporation is at Golghar.
Okay. Is there an airport in your city?
Yes, there is airport in my city.
Okay. Where is the airport in your city?
The airport is at Nandanagar.
Okay. Is there a railway station in your city?
Yes, there is railway station in my city.
Where is the railway station in your city?
The railway station is near to Golghar state.
Okay. Very good. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you again.
See you.
Very good. Good job. Good job, Shipraji. Nice. Well done. Okay, Vijay. Okay, everybody is answering my question. Pallavi, Shipra, Nilkant, everybody is answering my question. Okay. Hi, Vijay. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. And you?
I am fine, thank you. Okay. Are you in the company?
No, I am not in company.
Okay. Where are you?
I am in hostel.
Okay. Are you in Jayaprakash hostel?
No, I am no Jayaprakash in hostel.
I am not in Jayaprakash hostel. शांतपणे उत्तर द्या. काय आम्हाला सुद्धा घाई नाहीये, तुम्हाला सुद्धा घाई नाहीये, काहीच काळजी करू नका. आपल्याला करेक्टनेस महत्वाचे आहे. कारण का एकदा करेक्टनेस आला ना मग कॉन्फिडन्स येईल आणि कॉन्फिडन्स आल्यानंतर तुम्हाला कोणीही थांबवणार नाही. ड्रायव्हिंगचं कसं असतं की तुम्ही कसं पण ड्रायव्हिंग चालू केला की कधीही ड्रायव्हिंग शिकणार नाही, परंतु शांतपणे स्लोली एक 10 ते 15 दिवस ड्रायव्हिंग केलं की मग नंतर तुम्हाला कोणीही थांबवणार नाही. गॉट इट? द सेम वे. त्यामुळे शांततेनं कूल कम्फर्टेबल वे शिका. राईट? ओके. आर यू इन जयप्रकाश हॉस्टेल?
No, I am not Jayaprakash hostel.
इन वापरले पहा मी. इन. पल्लवी, आन्सर इट. पल्लवी, आर यू इन जयप्रकाश हॉस्टेल?
No, I am not in Jayaprabha hostel.
Kala, Vijay. Okay, are you in Vijay? Answer me now. Are you in Jayaprakash hostel?
No, I am.
Okay, Nandini, answer me. Are you in Jayaprakash hostel?
No, I am not in a Jayaprakash hostel.
Okay, Vijay, answer me. त्यामुळे लिसनिंग महत्वाचं असतं. लिसनिंग करून तुम्हाला कळून जाईल. ओके. आर यू इन जयप्रकाश हॉस्टेल?
No, I am not in. I am not in at hostel.
At नाही. I am not in Jayaprakash hostel. Okay. आणि again उत्तर द्या. Are you in Jayaprakash hostel? इथं लिहिले ना, बोर्ड वरती लिहिले पहा. No, I am not in. कॉलेजच्या ऐवजी जयप्रकाश हॉस्टेल टाकायचंय. Are you in Jayaprakash hostel?
No, I am not in hostel.
Jayaprakash.
Oh, no, I am not
Jayaprakash
in.
hostel.
No, I am not in Jayaprakash hostel.
In which hostel are you? Very important question. In which hostel are you? I am in. हॉस्टेलचं नाव सांगा. Okay, Nandini, answer me. In which hostel are you?
I am in girls hostel.
Very good. Shipra, in which hostel are you?
I'm in Nanded hostel.
Okay, Pallavi, in which hostel are you?
I am in Jethani's hostel.
Okay, Nilkant, in which hostel are you? Okay, fine. Vijay, in which hostel are you?
I am in Mauli hostel.
Correct. Very good. Got it. I am in Mauli hostel. Okay. Are there two roommates in your room? Are there
Yes.
two roommates in your room?
Yes.
Long answer. Okay. Pallavi, answer me. Are there two roommates in your room?
No, I have one roommate, only one roommate in my hostel, in my room.
In my room. Okay. Shipra, are there two roommates in your room?
Yes, there are two roommates in my room.
Okay. Nandini, are there two roommates in your room?
No.
There are
There
not.
are three roommates in my room.
Okay. Vijay, are there two roommates in your room?
Yes. There are two roommates.
In my room.
Oh, in my room.
Got it? In this way. Okay. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
See you again.
See you.
Very good. Good job. Okay. आज सर्वांची आज शुरुआत हो चुकी है. थोड़ा सा ज्यादा नहीं लिया है मैंने, क्योंकि पहला दिन है. ज्यादा खाने से थोड़ा सा हजम नहीं हो जाएगा, इसलिए ज्यादा नहीं लिया है. लेकिन ज्यादा लेना है. हर रोज बहुत सारा स्पीकिंग करना है. अंडरस्टैंड? सो कल दोपहर में भी क्लास रहेगा 2 बजे. राइट? कल दोपहर में भी ग्रामर का रहेगा at 2 o'clock ग्रामर एंड at 8:30 स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस. ओके? और आराम से जाएंगे और बहुत फास्ट जाएंगे. चिंता मत करो, बिल्कुल फ्लुएंसी मिल जाएगी सबको, बिल्कुल फ्लुएंसी मिल जाएगी. एंड यू विल एंजॉय अ लॉट. यू विल एंजॉय अ लॉट. ऑलराइट? हाँ शिप्रा जी बोलो.
सर ग्रामर में हम लोग फोनेटिक्स भी सीखेंगे.
हाँ,
फोनेटिक्स भी इंक्लूड है ग्रामर में.
फोनेटिक्स देखो, फोनेटिक्स वो बच्चों वाला है. आपको वो अलग कोर्स है, वो लेना है तो आप ले सकते हैं, लेकिन अभी मत ले लो, बाद में देखेंगे. ओके. और कुछ? ओके. So tomorrow we are going to have the next lecture at 8:30 conversation lecture, and at 2 o'clock grammar lecture. Okay. All right. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, sir.
See you
Bye, bye.
again.
See you.
See you.
See you.
Take care. Bye.